Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a video banking terminal works step by step. A video banking terminal is a self-service banking machine that allows customers to complete banking tasks with the help of a live bank representative through video and audio. In simple words, it combines the convenience of digital banking with real human support, so customers can get assistance even without standing in front of a traditional teller. First, the customer approaches the terminal and taps the screen to begin the session. The machine welcomes the user and starts the banking process through its interactive display. Next, the customer selects the banking service needed from the on-screen menu. For example, the available options may include account inquiry, cash withdrawal, deposit, transfer, loan help, or customer service. This helps the system understand what type of banking support the customer needs. After that, the customer logs in securely. This is usually done using a bank card, account credentials, PIN, or password. As a result, the system makes sure that only authorized users can access the account and continue the banking session. Then, the system verifies the customer's identity. It may use ID checks, face verification, OTP verification, biometrics, or account details. This step is very important because it adds security and protects the customer's personal and financial information. Once the identity is confirmed, the terminal connects the customer to a live banking representative through video and audio. At this point, the customer can speak directly with a real banker, ask questions, and receive guided help just like in a physical branch. After that, the live banker guides the customer through the requested transaction. The banker may help process transfers, account updates, withdrawals, bill payments, deposits, or account inquiries. In this way, the customer receives both self-service convenience and personal assistance at the same time. Then, the system displays the transaction result for confirmation and approval. The customer reviews the details shown on the screen and approves the request if everything is correct. This helps avoid errors before the transaction is finalized. Finally, once the transaction is completed, the account is updated and the customer receives a printed or digital receipt. The session ends successfully, and the customer leaves with confirmation that the banking task has been completed. Overall, a video banking terminal offers live video assistance, supports multiple banking services, provides secure transactions, and delivers convenient self-service. Therefore, it is a smart solution that makes banking easier, faster, and more accessible for customers. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.